So this morning, I set out to pick some peas. And these peas are actually called pigeon peas. So usually around this time of the year, which is the Christmas season, the trees are usually budding with peas. And so this one has grown pretty tall. It's almost touching the roof of the house because I guess it is stretching for the sunshine. And so I saw a couple peas and I decided to pick them, because if I don't pick them, then the birds will have all the peas. And so they can have some, but I also want to have some. And so the few that weren't bad, because some of them were already pecked by birds, I then proceeded to pick the ones that were good, that weren't bitten. And yes, so throughout the month of December, I will be coming here and picking the pigeon peas. Thank you.